Okay, really quickly, like I said, this is the Instant Pot Pro. This is an 8-quart Instant Pot. So let's open it up. Make sure you have your sealing ring inside of your lid. I've gone ahead and measured out 2 cups of the dry black beans. I rinsed them a couple times just to get any residue off. And you can either measure this as cups, that's 2 cups of black beans, or it's approximately 1 pound of black beans. So let's pour that into our Instant Pot, and then we're gonna put 8 cups of filtered water on top for our first cook. Okay, we have 8 cups of filtered water. Let's add that to our pot with our beans. Then we're gonna put our lid on, close the lid tightly. I'm gonna do pressure cook, custom, high heat for 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna press start. Okay, so like I said, I just want to reiterate that what we're doing first is what's essentially a quick soak method. So if you were to cook your black beans on the stove and you hadn't soaked them for 8 hours, you could do something that's called a quick soak method, and that would be basically you'd put your beans in a pot on the stove, bring it to a boil, and then you would turn off the stove and let those beans sit for about an hour. So the genius thing with the Instant Pot is you don't have to do that part. You can just do a 5-minute cook in the Instant Pot on high heat, and that would be essentially a quick soak method. So we're gonna let this cook for 5 minutes. It's gonna take about 10 minutes to heat up, 5 minutes to cook. Then we're gonna let it natural release for 10 minutes, and I'll see you when that's over.